These AI kitchen videos are going extremely viral on social media right now. The best part is that this niche still has very little competition, making it the perfect opportunity to start your own channel and grow fast. So, in today's video, I'll show you the complete process step by step so you can create these viral AI kitchen videos yourself. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, copy the prompt that I've pinned in the comments. Next, open Google Flow AI and go to the video section. Select the video option, then choose 8 seconds as the video duration, or adjust it based on your preference. Now, paste the prompt into the prompt box. At the top of the prompt, you'll see a section labeled Food Item. Simply replace it with the name of any food you want to create a video about. For example, burger, pizza, pasta, cake, ice cream, or any other food item. Once everything is ready, click the Send button. Within a few moments, Google Flow AI will generate a high-quality, cinematic AI kitchen video for you. You can repeat the same process with different food items to create unlimited, unique videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or any other short-form platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel and become part of our growing family. Your support motivates us to keep creating more valuable tutorials for you. Finally, let us know in the comments which AI niche you'd like us to cover next. We read every comment, and your suggestions help us create even better content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.